Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Realme Note 60. Begin by opening Play Store on both to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by selecting I agree and I acknowledge. Sorry, misclick. Then hit confirm, continue and allow. Following that, select whatever you want to in all the other pop-ups, and when you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of Realme. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you're ready, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And choose Receive button to connect.
Czy masz już aplikację temu? Jeśli nie, to najwyższy czas, żeby ją pobrać. Jeśli klikniesz na to wideo teraz i pobierzesz aplikację...
As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!